So the first thing we have up on the screen is we're looking at the Revit model that I developed. It's a very basic single-story room with a very basic HVAC system that was designed with a little exhaust on the top as well. I don't have any windows, I don't have any doors, because when you add those into the model, it can take even longer to solve. So for the sake of this demonstration, I kept it very basic. So after I designed this, I simply just went and added this in to Simulation CFD, and as you'll notice, this model looks identical to the one that was in the Revit model. So when you bring this into CFD, you don't have to worry about the aesthetic looking any different. You'll immediately know what you're looking at. Everything looks exactly the same. And then what I did was I just input a couple input conditions. So for example, on the inlet of my air handling unit, I'm going to put a flow rate. I chose about 1500 CFS. And then I made sure that the pressure inside the room was ambient or atmospheric at 1 PSI or 0 PSIG. And then we added some meshing onto the model. So I just want to pause this for a moment and discuss meshing. When it comes to performing a CFD analysis, most programs use meshing. It's a way of refining the calculated spaces and making them more granular. It makes it easier for the program and the formulas to handle performing these calculations. Simulation CFD sets itself apart in the sense that it really gives you a lot of flexibility for how you can put the meshing into your model, so you can really focus on getting exact numbers where you need them and kind of ignoring areas that don't matter. It also gives you an auto sizing feature, which I used for this model, which can help you just quickly turn out some numbers you need. Finally, I went and I set up my solver, so I chose about 20 iterations to run this. I think that was a preliminary guess is how long it would take to solve, and then I'm saving them every one iteration so I can look back at these results after it's completed. So I click solve, I let it run, and then we skip ahead and we look at my results.